Share your boost with us. What are you doing to boost your day, to boost your mood? Grab your cell phone and record a short video. Please make it under 1 minute. Have someone film your video for you, or you can use video selfie mode. Film your video horizontally. It might take a few trial runs, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Just be yourself. Here's how to share your boost video. Go to your camera roll where your video is stored. Here's the one that I had recorded yesterday. There's my video. You're going to want to share it. So you go to the share, and you want to share it to your Google Drive. So it's going to download to your Google Drive. I always recommend naming your video or creating a folder with a name so it's easy to find later, and save. That's it. Go to your Gmail account. You're going to send it to info@robkellermd.com. Put your name in the subject line, and then you just want to attach your file. So I'm going to attach Insert from Drive, my drive, and then I'm going to look for my boost video. There it is, and I'm going to attach the video. Select and send.